Should I roll my windows?
After that, huh?
Should I roll my windows?
Jeannie, tell me about your AMX really quick.
It's been in my life longer than any man. Only 38 years now.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
I've almost owned my Chevelle that long.
This is the skunk.
Yeah?
Skunk. And she just never lets me down.
That is awesome. Thank you.
Unusual.
Very. Look at that. That's a beauty.
Oh, watch out, Sean.
Look at that black paint. That is amazing.
It's this car is the same age as me.
That is so cool. Oh, that's gotta
What
be.
is that?
That's gotta be the best Blazer I've seen with a woman driver.
What is that?
Look, they even got the little gremlin waving at us too.
Hey, how come it looks alive?
What year's that Blazer?
Yeah, we care about.
Yeah, that would be a sight to see. Awesome. From Pennsylvania.